Oh man, it's really been almost a year since my last YouTube video. It's pretty crazy. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or I guess welcoming myself back to YouTube. Alright, so before we get into the video, I do want to give you a little update. So first off, I did give birth to my son. He's going to be 6 months in a couple weeks. His name is Qairo. I started going back to school again. I should be finished this summer if they still keep classes going throughout the summer remotely. If not, then probably December, but most definitely class of 2020. Finally. If you haven't followed me on social media, I did get engaged. Wifey material. I'm just kidding. I mean, I am not. But that's really pretty much it on an update. I mean, just everything else, just being a mom, you know. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all Qairo's room, doing like a little room tour. I feel like I need more wall stuff for his room, but I don't know what to do yet. So if you guys have any recommendations, I love DIYs, so yeah, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, let's jump into it. Alright, so first we have his little bookshelf area with a TV that's actually not even plugged in yet. Quan and I actually got these from, I think, Sonic. They're pretty dope, ninjas. Here we have some storybooks, pandas, a camera, vintage camera that I got from Ross, and then some more books. And then we have some headphones, and this was actually given to us from one of Quan's Blade friend. His name is A-Rock. Definitely hang this up or something when Qairo knows how to crawl and like walk, because yeah, it's pretty dangerous. Alright, so here we have his playmat with some toys here. Missing pieces, puzzle pieces, all around the house. And all of his toys are also all around the house. And here we have a tent with his great grandmother from Quan's side actually made that for us. That blanket, and I thought it was a really cute touch. Oreos, because if y'all know Quan, he loves Oreos. And a big old panda plush that Qairo got for Christmas. All this panda is because Qairo's nickname when he was in the room was Little Panda. He's black, white, and Asian. Here we have his crib. We have, this is his little comforter sheet stuff. We have a monitor there. Teddy bears. And then we have this painting, a sunflower painting from Quan's friend. It's really beautiful, nice touch to Qairo's room. Also Qairo's name and lettering. So here we have a diaper pail, or the diaper genie. For some reason, I cannot get that lid down. Here we have his changing table with his towel. I have down here a jar that I probably will give him for him to collect money, either to collect money or whatever he wants to collect in there, or I don't even know what to do with that. His bath stuff. That was supposed to go with his swing, but he doesn't like that for some reason. Tissue paper, and then another extra genie liner thing. And then we have just other blankets and stuff like that. I made this for his guest book, or I guess guest poster for his baby shower. This is probably like my favorite item. I love this caddy. It gives you, a holder for almost everything that you need. So we have diapers, baby wipes, hand sanitizer, his thermometer, and all that jazz. We put that there. Here's just a little side table with Alexa that I have to go find a cord, because I always use that cord for one of my headphones. And we also have a soccer ball, nightlight. Here we have the nursing chair that I feed Qairo in, and then a painting that his father did. And a little trash can. Here we have his closet. Alright, so the first thing that you see here is actually a car seat that we haven't used. We opened it, but we haven't used it. So if anybody's looking for a car seat, let me know. And y'all can definitely have this one. This is his nighttime diapers. I don't know why I still have newborn diapers, but look how tiny he was. And now he's like a size 3. Here we have just a bag full of hangers, extra hangers. This is a box full of clothes that were sent from one of Kwan's aunt, and there's still more clothes in there that I need to wash. And then I actually separate these clothes by like 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 9 months, and then like 12 to 18 months. And then up here we have just extra wipes, diapers, more diapers, and then like a carrier and extra stuff that he hasn't been able to use yet. Oh, also dirty laundry. And look at these little tins. Super cute. The first drawer are just for like other onesies, and for some reason I kept this one. This was actually a newborn. I don't know who got this for us, but this is like the best. Like, I wish this actually grew with him. And then the second drawer we have all his pants. They are actually not size, they're just everywhere. The bottom we have all the other accessories like towels, blankets, bibs, bath towels, hats, and socks. Oh, and then these little house shoe things that Miss Amy got for us. And she got it from out of the country. I want to say it was Guatemala, Colombia. One of those countries. That concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next one.